Hello guys, welcome back to Seg Skills. In this video we will learn how we can design a hover affected div. As you can see on the screen right now, if I hover on this, so it's changing its background, color and border also. You can see right now, if I'm taking my mouse on this, so it's changing its color and background and border. So how we can design all these things? By using HTML and pure CSS. I mean, we will design this only by using HTML and CSS. So let's start. So guys, first of all we will open our editor. As you can see, I have opened my editor here, and as usually we did in all the videos, we have created one folder on our desktop. So let's open folder, go to desktop. I have created my folder, this one, and select this folder. Now inside this folder I will create two files, one for CSS, one for HTML. So let's save it. divhover.html. The second one for the CSS, new, and save it by the name divhover.css. Now guys, I have two files, and one for HTML and one for CSS. So let's start, and please watch carefully and do the same steps which I am doing in this video. So guys, you can see right now we have designed all these things. As you can see, we have did all these things, how we can design all these hover effective properties in the CSS. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.